How big are the solar Pennine step lights? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Pennine solar step lights. Let's get into it. The Pennine solar step lights are the perfect option for your outdoor steps. These lights measure at 8 cm by 8 cm and have a depth of 5 cm. And they're the perfect minimalistic step light for modern garden homes. Let's see what's inside the box then. Inside the box we have the instructions, the screws, and the two lights. These sleek triangle-shaped lights come as a set of two and are completely solar-powered and fully equipped with motion sensors. To turn these lights on, simply flip the switch to the on position on the side of the light, and you can cover the panel to test that the lights are working. These lights are 100 lumens and emit a cool white glow. You can install these lights by simply screwing them into your wall. Please do not leave the lights unscrewed as they are lightweight and can be damaged easily. So make sure you use the included screws to keep the lights securely in place. Since the solar panel is angled on these lights, it's important to make sure that they're as south-facing as possible. These lights are durable and they provide a stylish way to enhance your garden's safety and ambience. Feel free to leave any questions you may have on this product in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when there's a new video out. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.